Gonna move to Israel just for the hummus, alright?
Alright, wanna hear something? This is gonna be my last evening here in Switzerland. And the devotees asked me to make hummus, but I have a little surprise. Hey, how's it going? Oh my lord. I love the hummus boiling. Okay, so this is a surprise. Okay, so what is the surprise? The surprise is... That's a cool cake. Yeah? Look at it. The Krishna here. One Krishna, two. So, the surprise that I haven't made hummus for the last 2 years. And I'm already making a mess. Like, look at this thing here. Look at what is going on there. It's just like boiling forever. I hope it's not... Wow, it's probably burning. No, it's not burning. Are you burning? You're not burning. Either way. I'm gonna show you how I make hummus. Okay, let's ventilate first. So much air. We need some air. Woohoo! Alright, so what do we need for a hummus? Of course, undoubtedly you need chickpeas, which are already there in the pan, in the pot, sorry. They need to boil for about an hour. That's been going on while I was taking a shower. If someone wants, I'm a big fan of that. It's not obligatory, but you can put some vegetables such as potatoes and carrots and boil it together, and then you can blitz it all together. With this, we're gonna blitz it all. So as you can see, everything is going on smoothly. I left this thing here. It was a big mess. Everything was completely in water, but the door was closed, so that's okay. Nobody noticed that. As a saying, there's an ancient saying in Israel that hummus, which is done without love, is not hummus. So, by love I mean love for Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Test how soft are the chickpeas. What I do, there are 2 pots. One big pot, one small pot. The small pot gonna have chickpeas which don't have to be boiled that much. They should be boiled just soft enough to oh boy, I think they boiled too much. They should be boiled just enough to use as decoration for the top layer of the hummus. If some of you have seen the hummus plates, the decorations on the top, and you can use the hummus chickpeas, hummus actually called chickpeas in Israel in Hebrew, as the decoration. And the second part, which has most of them, gonna have to be more soft. So this pot, it takes about an hour. It's already been there for 40 minutes. So I think it's done. I think this one is done. We're just gonna blitz it and some spices and decorations. And I'll be really stoked to show you the process. And so just gonna lay down you here somewhere perhaps. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare hummus. So we got these chickpeas. You test them by squashing them. So as you can see, we sieved out the hummus. This is for the decoration, so you don't want to blitz it. You just put it aside. Maybe it's a bit too much for the decorations, but alright, back to the ingredient section. We're gonna need tahini, chickpeas. I'll post the proportions down in the description. So I'm making here for 50 people. Almost for 50 people, but I mean, you don't have to make that much. I think I use like 3 kg of chickpeas. Usually it will be more, but tahini is just for the astringent extra flavor. Some people don't even add it, like the vegetables. Some people don't boil hummus with vegetables, some do. I do. You can experiment a little bit with ginger. Okay, now we're gonna... Yeah, it's about time. 4 o'clock. The softer chickpeas are already done by now. So this part
You don't have to siphon the water because it's good to use the water that we boil the chickpeas in. They have all the nutrients and so on and so on. From my experience, it's way too much, the water there. It's always too much water. It's a ridiculous amount of water. But so the hummus is not too dry, we're gonna use some water from the chickpea and from these vegetables. We're gonna bleach the vegetables and the spices and everything with the chickpea. So we're gonna need some lemons, 3 in this particular instance. The sheep pot! Oh no, it doesn't even fit here, my god. At the moment, Prague, next month.
Prague, okay.
We're making another video now. Would you like to participate? We're making a video about hummus.
About hummus.
Hummus pastimes. I'm from Israel and someone heard about it, so they asked me to make hummus.
Hummus. Hummus.
You offered Krishna hummus before?
Yeah, of course.
Really?
He's also good cook, you know.
Oh wow.
He's also 5 years, 6 years brahmachari.
I haven't made hummus for like 2 years, but I'm telling you.
He living in
I'm a
Vrindavan.
bit out of practice. Any tips for good hummus?
No carrots and potatoes.
No carrots. Which video did you watch?
We were somewhere in the red. No, I think in Israel.
Yeah, most of the videos are from there.
Jerusalem.
Yeah, Jerusalem,
Funny video.
Accra, Gif Halak, Yazaleme. Chased by the Muslim. So what, no carrots in the hummus? I'm gonna put them anyways. Ah. I'm gonna put you right here. What do you say? So okay, spicing wise, just put some salt and some pepper. Black pepper, salt. You can put some turmeric. Just put a little bit of everything you have here except the chilies. Eh? No chilies. Anyways, a little bit of everything you have. Really a little bit. We'll do it. Some oregano. Perfect. You're gonna need that later for the decoration too. Paprika. Smoked paprika. Oh, that's perfect actually. You're gonna need that for decorations too, so you put that aside. Okay, tahini baby. Then put tahini. We got 1.5. You just mix the tahini with the hummus and you blitz it.
Yeah.
Olive oil is always nice to put in everything. Again, the quantities I'm gonna share in the description below. I'll do sort of a proportion. All right, and now we're gonna blitz the whole thing. Are you ready? I think this one's gonna need a bit more water, as you can see, but be careful not to put water, because it might become too watery. Actually, no water is needed. You can see how liquidish it is already. Just do a few times like that and it'll be alright. Hummus is almost done. Alright, so we're gonna mix it well another time and decorate. Can use some olive oil for decoration. The hummus judge from Czech Republic, he's gonna judge the hummus before we offer it. Gonna get ready for the judge. He's gonna test the hummus by looking at the hummus. But oh, I forgot the decorations. I'm gonna put the decorations because flowers are forever.
Good choice.
Okay, so we have this. Yeah. This flowers. Blue is for Krishna. Which flower? And blue is for. Blue is for. Oh, I'm gonna do.
Blue is for lightness.
I'm. Okay, back to reality. The hummus is ready. We're gonna put it in the fridge. The judge, he convinced, I think, that it's offerable. Is it offerable, Yogesh Prabhu?
It looks like you will not die after eating this, so that's a positive.
Well, if Krishna eats, I don't mind even dying after.
Oh, that's highest standard.
Jai, hummus suicide.
Haribo.
And now for that video, I'm gonna get demonetized. It's Yogeshwara and you. Okay, so after we made the hummus, a very important part is to ask people what do they think about the hummus. If Krishna liked, did you taste the hummus already?
Not yet.
No, okay, not yet. But here, I'm gonna serve you. Hummus time.
Yay!
More? Yeah.
More.
Plenty.
Look delicious.
Haribo.
Thank you.
How's the hummus?
It was first class.
First
with
class?
all the flowers, all the spices, and all the love.
Jai, Hare Krishna.
Hare
I'm gonna ask. Would you? So Nima, you tried the hummus? How is it, Nima? Is it good?
I'm
Is
gonna
it
move to
offerable?
Israel just for the hummus, alright?
Please come. You're always welcome.
That's the best in the world.
Hare Krishna. Nima doesn't know I provided everything. Hare Krishna.